Friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. Today we are going to construct a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started. Go to new. We are going to take the sheet metal part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We start from the top plane, so we will select the exit plane. Rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command and take 2 points enter rectangle. Select the center point and make a rectangle over here. Go to dimension. The width of this rectangle will be 35 mm. Okay, and the height here will be of 60 mm. Now finish sketch. Now take here the face command and press OK. Okay. Now here go to sheet metal defaults. Uncheck this, and here we will take a thickness of 1 mm and apply. Okay, the thickness has been changed from 0.5 to 1 mm. Now go to flange command, and here we'll select this top edge and go to more settings, and from here it is selected edge. I'll take a setting of width, so it will start from the center. The height of this flange will be 20 mm. Okay, and the width will be of 30 mm. Okay, I'll click on apply and remain in this command. Now I'll select this another side. Okay, we are selecting the top edge, okay, not the bottom edge. Same settings will be applied here. Will not make any change and press here apply. Okay, now exit. Now again go to the flange command. Now select this outer edge. This time we are going to take a dimension of 12 mm. So no more settings will be selected. It is a complete edge. Okay, similarly select this side, go to edge selection and select this outer edge. Now press OK. Okay, go to home. Now to make the corner rounds, we will select here the corner round command. Here we will define the radius as 5 mm. Go to corner selection, select this corner, select this corner, select this and select this. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Take here the circle command and make here a circle of diameter 5. Similarly here we will make a diameter 5, and at this center point we are going to make circle of diameter 15. Okay, go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point, select this point and select this point. Now go to vertical constraint, select the center and select center of this. Okay, so select this center and select center of this flange. Now they are fully constrained. You can see here the fully constrained. Finish sketch, and here go to 3D model, take extrude, select all the 3 profiles, go to cut, and here we are going to take all. So these will be the through cut, and press OK. Okay, now here we are almost complete with this part. Here you can see only this hem profile has been left. So to construct this hem profile, we will select here the hem command. So here go to sheet metal, and here we will select this hem command, rotate the profile, and here the gap between the hem will be thickness into 0.5 and the length will be thickness into 4 mm. These are the by default formulas. We will select this bottom edge. Okay, so a hem profile will be created, bottom side, and apply. Okay, rotate. Similarly we are going to select this bottom edge and press OK. Okay, so this will be the final profile. Okay, so all the cuts and all the profiles are been made. Go to part 3. Here go to defaults. I have taken the light red color So I'll take here also the light red. Okay, and if you want to construct a flat pattern of this, so just click create flat pattern. So it will generate the flat pattern of this complete part. Okay, now go to the folded part. So this will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a sheet metal part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.